guys, I'm here with Wigs here once more. This is the packaging. All right, it's giving girly, so let's get into it. All right, so I'm seeing the wig firstly, and then I got a bonnet, I got an edge brush and comb. Oh, this is cute. It says Wigs. Oh, it's a mirror. I need to go ahead. I love getting these cute mirrors. Like, oh my god, this is cute. This is going in my purse right now. Right now. And then I got a pair of wig caps. And lastly in the box, a branded Wigs elastic headband. I forgot to show you, but I also got a drawstring branded Wigs bag, perfect for storage, and all their social media platforms are listed on the back. Look at this perfection. This is 22 inches long, right? This is a 13 by 6 undetectable HD skin melt lace front wig. This is plucked to perfection, right? It's pre-bleached, has this extra adjustable strap, you know, for security, and there's a total of 3 combs on the inside. There's also adjustable straps in the very back of the wig. Okay, all right, so it's a body wave wig. They say it's 180% in density, but it feels like 200. It's a medium cap size, by the way. Now this hair is so full. It came with these pre-curls in it. All right, oh my god, you see that bounce? You see that body? This is like a 1B color. Looks so good, man. I love this. It's so flat. I can already tell that this install is gonna be bomb. This is the wig on. I'm so excited. So I'm doing a glute install today. I feel so good about this. It looks so good. Everything just looks so good. So I'm doing the ball cap method. I already applied it. So now I'm just gonna go in with my glue. Okay, of course I'm using my Lace Be Gone glue. There's a new glue that there's like some new glues that I'm gonna try out very soon, so I want you guys to stay tuned because I'm so excited. But yeah, so I'm using my Lace Be Gone today though. So I feel like my next wig install, I'm gonna try that glue out. I already received it and everything. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Well, and to see how it actually is. I'm just gonna speed through this portion. You guys know the drill. Oh my gosh, guys, such a flawless install so far. I feel so good about this. Like, it is such a bomb install. I'm gonna keep the center part. I'm in the mood for it. I don't want it. Why am I combing out my curls? I'm not ready to comb out the curls as yet. All right. The hair is super soft and silky. I love that. As I said, Wigs always bringing great quality. So what I'm gonna do is cut away the excess, and then I'm gonna further like melt down the lace, press it in and all that with my elastic band. Any part that needs more glue, I usually just go back in with a tad bit and just apply it and let it sit until it's clear, just like what I did initially. So I just did very light swoops, nothing serious, nothing you haven't seen. I'm gonna go ahead and get my hot comb and wax stick to just get the top really flat here. The hair is already curled, guys. Like, it makes me so excited how beautiful this wig is constructed and how everything just falls into place easily. I'm looking for my wax stick. Oh. Yeah, it looks so good. You know, it's a 13 by 6, so I have to do the bust down. Has to be a deep part bust down, okay? It's only right. Okay, I think I want to do some layers for the bangs hair. Yep. Layers always make everything look better. Like, oh my god, yeah. This is so full and bouncy. I love the whole 24-inch vibe. Like, it's length, but it's not too lengthy, and it's so full. Like, the luster, everything is giving. Okay, actually going to finish off this look by doing curtain bangs. So, you know, I just, yeah, decided that I'm gonna do curtain bangs. I'm gonna give this a little bit more layers. I've never actually done the curtain bag vibe. I just always do my regular flip over vibe, but today this is what we're doing. Okay, this is the closest I'm gonna put it. I don't want it any closer in my, it's gonna be uncomfortable over my eyes, but I love, it's basically similar, it's still similar to my flip over vibe, but this is the closest I'm gonna put it. I know they usually put it closer, but I love what it's giving. I love this. This is gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as, you know, all the specifications. If you guys are interested in getting this wig, just go ahead, check it out. Also, if I have any discounts or, you know, discount code, you know, discount link, any deals going on, all of that will be listed down below, so check it out. Alright, but that's it for today's wig look, guys. I hope you found this informative. If you like the look, you know, go ahead, like this video, share it, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and turn on your post notification bell so you know each and every time that I upload a new video. Okay, but yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.